Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we'll show you how to add MMD models to Blender quickly and easily. First, open Blender on your computer. This is the software where we'll be importing the MMD models. Next, open your browser. You'll need this to download the tool that lets Blender use MMD files. Now go to the link we've provided in the video description. This link will take you to the MMD Tools download page. Scroll down on that page and look for the download link. Click it to start downloading the tool. Once the download finishes, click Open File and then choose Show in Folder to find where the file was saved. Right-click the downloaded file and select Extract All. This will unzip the contents so we can use them. Click the Extract button in the pop-up window to complete the process. After extraction, open the new folder that appears. Then, open the next folder inside it to find the actual tool. Right-click on the folder named MMD Tools and choose Send to Compressed Zip Folder. This step prepares the file for installation in Blender. Go back to Blender and click on Edit from the top menu. This opens up a list of settings. Click on Preferences. This is where you can add extra tools and features to Blender. Now click the Add-ons tab. Add-ons are like plugins that expand Blender's functionality. Click the drop-down menu and select Install from Disk. This lets you add tools from your own computer. Navigate to the zipped MMD Tools folder you just created. Find it in the location where you saved your downloads. Double-click the mmdtools.zip file. This will install the tool into Blender. Once it appears, make sure the checkbox next to the add-on is enabled. This turns the tool on and makes it usable. Close the Preferences window to go back to the main Blender screen. Click File, then Import, and you should now see options for importing PMD, PMX, VMD, and VPD files. And that's it! You've successfully added MMD model support to Blender, and now you're ready to bring your animations to life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials.